Welcome back to the channel, doing something on the van again for a change. That's this van, of course. So this is the one part of the van which I didn't really finish properly the first time. Everything else in the van is finished pretty well, but this storage area I never really completed. There's loads of room in here, but if you want to get something out, it can be a real pain. So to avoid having to pull out everything every time I want something, I'm going to make a big drawer that goes along this whole bottom section and comes all the way out, about 1.2 meters, which will make it easy to access everything in there. Alright, so that's the space we're working with. It's just over 1.2 meters wide and about 1.25 meters deep. I'm going with a tray that's 1.2 meters square, which I'll go and make now. I'm building this drawer the same way I did the other ones. I'm using a 12mm plywood base with 19mm fully dressed pine for the frame, which should be strong enough for all the stuff I'm putting in it. Just finished putting these rails on. They've got a lock at the end, which is handy for the van. Particularly if you park on a slope, they won't just roll out on you. So when the weather gets a bit better, I'm going to put it in the van. And it looks like that. I'm going to use these aluminium angles on either side to secure it. Chose not to use steel because I'd rather not have any unnecessary weight. And these I don't have to paint. Just need to trim them a little bit here so they clear the bed lift linear actuators. Another important thing to remember is the release for the spare wheel. So I'm going to have a small hole drilled in the drawer to access that. And this is how far it comes out. I think you can call that all the way up. So, put it back in, of course. You have to lift the two locks. And there she is. And that will do it. Now I just have to put all the junk back in. Last minute idea. The spare water bottle is now easy to access. I'm so glad I thought of that. So that's everything loaded back in. Much easier to get to now. And I can still fit my umbrella. In fact, I can still fit quite a lot of stuff if I just pile it on top. So, good result. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with another video soon.